A bird just fell down my chimney. I don't know if it's alive. What do I do? I'm just feeding it some seeds from my gerbils' food. What do I do with a random bird that fell down my chimney? Oh my god. My parents should be home soon, I hope. Of course a bird had to fall down my chimney when my parents left to go to a store. Are you alive? I don't know if it's alive. I hope it's alive. What do I do? I'm gonna try those. Please don't fly. It's just been sitting in the corner. Oh my god. Oh, I hope there's no more birds. This birds start coming in. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Well, I know I said I was lonely, Lord, but I wasn't expecting this. Should I poke it with a broom? Maybe if I use this end. You alive? It's alive, it's alive, it's alive. Yeah, it's alive, Got it, I hear ya. I hear ya. I have mercy, Lord, on my soul. What do I do? I did all this. The Lord has blessed me with a bird through my chimney. Please do not bring your friends. Oh my god. I wanted to stay there, but I also want to help it. What do I do? It's alive. I got that. Oh my god. Can you see a bird breathe? Is that a thing? Oh my Lord, have mercy. I'm shaking. Stop shaking. The last time I encountered a wild bird, I don't want to talk about it. I'm just trying to load it into a box. This happened yesterday. Last night, my big sister's, the bird fell down her chimney too. And I think I want to start a fire in there. Yay. If birds are going to be falling down my chimney, I ain't starting no fire. It's like half the things on my birthday list. I don't know if I'm going to upload this, but oh my Lord. It's moving. Please don't fly out. I have my broomstick ready. I feel like a witch about to go into battle. Huh. What do I do? It's breathing. Dang, that's fast. Oh, I was just just sitting here doing my diamond painting, and then I just hear a big thud. And I thought my gerbils did it. So I walk over there, I'm like, but I heard it from over here, so then I come over here, and I see that, I thought it was a piece of clothing. And then I moved my beanbag, and it moved. It's a bird. What do I do? I'm scared. Oh, I hope it's okay. Why can't it just fly back up? What was it going for? There's nothing down here for you. Go back to your clan. Did the bird friends perch on top of my chimney? Is this sacrifice to the gods? We are the gods. To bird heaven and beyond. Well, I'm just gonna sit here. I'm scared. What do I do? Oh my god. I'll update you later once we get the bird out. Hopefully. Yay.